happy and head up with joy in my heart. Why is each new task a trifle to do? Because I am living a full life with you. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm so happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain and singing, just singing in the doo-va-doot, doo-va-doo-va-doot, singing in the rain, doo-va-doo-va-doot, singing in the rain, doo-va-doo-va-doot, the rain. Okay. Can we start at, I'll walk down the lane. So go back to page 7 just so that we can get into that. Pick up to the last line. That's right. All right, ready? 1, 2, go. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain and singing, just singing in the rain. Why am I smiling and why do I sing? Why does December seem sunny as spring? Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart. Why is each new task a trifle to do? Because I am living a full life with you. I'm singing in the rain. Let's go back, we'll try that again. Yeah, that's why I stopped. All right, before we do that part that's like a mess, were there parts that you want to go through in that section that we just got done with?
Yeah, page 8 at the top.
Page 8 at the top.
I mean, some people don't. And singing, just singing in the rain. Page 8.
Okay. Can I hear the altos that pick up to 70 or 60? Wait, is that? Those are 4s. I can't read my handwriting. And sing it. 47. Pick up to 47.
Okay, yeah.
46.
Top of page 8.
And singing, just singing in the rain. 1, 2, go. And singing, just singing in the rain. Okay. And then, can I hear everybody please now at 51? Ready, go. Why am I smiling and why do I sing? Why does December seem sunny as spring? Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart. Let me go through that section real quick, just part by part. Go back to 59, altos, we'll start with you. Ready, go. Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart. Joy in my heart. Ready, go. Joy in my heart. Go back, let's try that one more time. 59. Ready, go. Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart. Happy and head up with joy in my heart.
Can I have that F natural?
An F natural at 65?
Top of 10 first one. More time.
Let's try at 63 one more time, altos.
Sure.
Ready, go, happy and head up with joy in my heart. All right, good. And second sopranos, 59, please. Ready, go. Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart.
Sorry.
Joy in my heart. Yeah, let's try that again at 59. Ready, go. Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart. Good. And first sopranos. 59. Ready, go. Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart. Can I hear all the ladies, please, at 59? Ready, go. Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart. Why is each new task a trifle to do? Because I am living a full life with you. I'm 3, 4, singing in the rain. Just singing in the rain. Stop. Look up. Look up. Watch and listen. My mouth is moving the words, everything. And your faces are down here. No wonder you're not with me. Try it again.
Sorry. Yeah, we're sorry.
Go back to 67. Gentlemen, ready, go. Why is each new task a trifle to do? Because I am living a full life with you. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm so happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. And we're okay from there, right? All right, let's go back. We'll try that section one more time. Go back to 59, please. Uh-huh.
The guys say I, and then there's a rest.
Yep.
And then we come in just singing right then?
No, they have sing, just a singing. So I'm giving them I'm, and then I cut it off. I count 3, 4, sing, just a singing, singing in the rain. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I was just wondering if we were coming in right. 'Cause it
Yeah, I'm
didn't
not
seem
sure
right.
exactly either.
I think you're coming in with them, so you're a beat early.
Oh, early, okay.
So I'm 3, 4, sing, just a singing, singing in the rain. Okay, let's go back to, what was that, 59?
59.
Thank you. Ready, go. Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart. Why is each new task a trifle to do? Because I am living a full life with you. take a right hand, put it in the air, and give yourself a pat on the back. Hallelujah. We did it.
Just keep it up. Just count.
Play that on recording when we come to it, okay? Because we got it once.
Can we do it again?
Hey, Brian.
Yes.
Run that again.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do it again. All right, let's go back to 51 where it double times, okay?
Okay. You guys, I lost my Apple pencil. It's over there.
Oh.
It's white. What? There it is. Her Apple pencil.
Good eye. I didn't see it.
When I walked back in, I saw.
Oh.
You're like, that's no ordinary pencil. Where are we starting?
51, this is middle of page 8. Ready, go. Why am I smiling and why do I sing?
Why does December seem sunny as spring?
Why do I get up each morning to start? Happy and head up with joy in my heart.
Why is each new task a trifle to do?